Open shortcut app in the iPhone, and to create fresh automation, please press the plus sign in the top right corner. Now type message in the search bar, and this is the sample bank message. In your bank message also you check for certain constant keywords. In this message now there are certain constant keywords that will be in all the SMSs, like debited, account number so and so, and bank name Axis Bank, or other details which are constant. You take any one value which is constant and make it your keyword. Then we will feed this keyword into the message contains field. I have taken debited as my keyword, so I'm feeding debited into the field. I will press done, and then I will make it run immediately. Now choose blank automation. Now search for text. We will copy the bank SMS and paste it in the text. This is very important, and this text part now we will use it only for testing our logic, because as per the logic now the whole automation will get triggered only when you receive a bank SMS. For testing, we are going to paste the bank message in the text field. We will one by one we will develop our logic. First amount, second merchant name and time. Later when we go for final output now, we will replace this text. We will delete this text and use a shortcut input value as our input. For time being, we will test with this logic. Now I'm going to use the match text function. So for getting the regex operators now, we have to copy the SMS and paste it in ChatGPT and ask it to generate the regex operation. Now I'm going to paste the copied regex operation into my match text template, and I'm going to see the output. We have got two values, one is INR and the other one is amount. We only need the amount, so we will again split it by spaces. We have got two values separately, INR and amount. We will pick the last value. Since amount is the last item now, we will get item from list and select the last item from the split text. So we have received the output. Now we will go and store this value in the variables. We are going to give set variable, and variable name we are going to give amount, and it will automatically from last item it will pick the amount. Now we will go to the second part. Let us get the regex for merchant name. We'll copy the template shared by ChatGPT now and paste it, and open search action, match text. We will paste, delete the entry and paste the pattern shared by ChatGPT. We will remove the amount and we will give text as input. So now we have, and this is the output received. Here I'm getting the data with the forward slash. So I'm again going to split the data with forward slash as the custom. Split text and custom separator I will give forward slash. So I have got the list of all the entries. Now I'm going to pick the beneficiary name. So I get item from list. Beneficiary name is in the last one, so I will choose the last item. So I have got the beneficiary detail. Now we are going to pass on this output to the variable merchant. We will create a set variable and add merchant, and we will pass on this value. Input last step output. Now that will be your input. You have to choose the last step item from list. Now we are going to get the date. So for the sake of simplicity, I'm taking the system date. You can also perform the same regex for date also and pick it from the SMS, but for my convenience now I'm picking the system date. This suits me mostly. SMS we will get in real time only, so this suits my need. If you want, you can change it as per your convenience. So current date, I will be formatting the date. Only I need the date value. Current date contains so many values, time and all. So I'm going to select only the date, month and year, and I'm going to set variable. I'm going to store these values in the variable date. You can also repeat the same process and take the time also, but I want to keep the video simple. I'm just using only date. We have now stored amount, merchant name and date in the variables. Now we are going to pass on this information to the data jar. In search action, search for dictionary. First we are going to hit the amount. We will go to the variable where the amount output is there. We'll choose that one. Second will be your merchant. Again we have already created variable for merchant. Now we will pass it on to this field. You have to choose merchant with the text symbol. Okay, click on the merchant. And third one is date. Third value will be date, and input you are going to select the variable for date. Now we are set to do the testing, but before that we will pass on these entries to the data jar. In search action, select data jar, click data jar and add values to the list. Open data jar, add values, choose list, name the file as bank. Now click the bank file, and in the key path you give the bank. So run it. Once you run it, automatically whatever value we have set in the variable, it will get fed to the data jar file. Now the final step, we are going to delete the text and give shortcut input as the reference or source, and below also for merchant also we have to remove the text, and it is shown in red color. Now you have to remove that reference and give shortcut input, so that the incoming message will be treated as the input for the entire operation. So I will do one thing. I will send an SMS to myself and test whether our functionality is working fine. I have copied the SMS and I'm sending it to myself. The shortcut gets run and the data will be fed to the your file in the data jar.